Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. Well, today I went to Micheals. Yeah, finally, months later. First I ordered it online. There was a 40% off coupon. I think they're back to the 40% off because it's been since COVID, 3 years now, we've been getting 20%. So I was thrilled. So I ordered online. What did I order? 40% is a great deal. Okay. It's only for one item, right? Oh, I went and ordered this. Well, this is the 8. The one that I had was the 13 US. And yeah, I was really disappointed because the wire on both sides came off. So I'm hoping this one's okay. It's the Prime. It's made in Germany. So it was $11.99. Let's see if they left a receipt here. Yeah, they did. So I only paid $8.99 plus GST, I believe. Yeah. This is the yarn that I bought. I'm just trying to, I don't know why they didn't give me the receipt. Well, oh well. But it was $11.99, and so I must have paid, just checking. Okay, this one I can't open. And then they put this in a fabric, bag. This is nice. Because I usually take my own bags, and it was in the basket there for me to pick up, ready to be picked up, and it said help yourself. Help yourself. Yeah, the store was empty. There was nobody in there. Okay. I really like to knit with this. But the only problem I had was with the number 9, US 13, was this part came off, and I'm hoping that it doesn't happen to this, but it's really nice to work with. And the biggest is the 32 inches they had. Yeah, so they only have 4 sizes, and I already have the 2 that I've been using. But this is 8, so 8mm. So I'm hoping it's good. While I was at it in the store, I checked what they had new. And then this was new. I don't know if you saw this. It's the Lion brand. Indigo Forward, it says. Made with love. The cottony one, but it's so soft. And it's 100 gram. So I'm going to start something for myself, summary. And then it's 4 weight, so I can use my 5mm Addy unicorn that I bought. See, it says 5. And this is 60% cotton and 40% acrylic. I wish they had the pull out so I can just cast on. Show you. I don't know, this is the first time, but this is really good. It's thicker than Caron cotton cake, because Caron cotton cake is like more like a 3 weight for me, 3 DK. So this way I can try with my unicorn, Addy unicorn, and then see. So I'm just gonna cast a couple of stitches. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. This is really nice. I don't know why did I leave a long tail. Well, this is just going to be a sample. So what I'll do is I will knit and see how it feels. Oh, nice. It's not pointy, but it does go easily. So this was $11.99. That's what I was looking at, because the needles was $11.99 as well. See, $11.99. And then I saved $4.80. So I paid $8.55. Okay, I don't understand why I paid more for the needles. Where did the sticker go? Because that was $8.99. What did it say? Oh, where did I put the bag? Oh my goodness. Can't find it. Well, you guys saw the receipt, right? Oh, here it is. Jeez. See, for the yarn, this is how much I paid, right? So $7.55. So why did I pay extra on this one? Just because this one was $11.99 as well. I'm a little bit confused with this. Yeah, I might need to go back and check the Micheals website to log in. Let me see if I can log in and check. Because there's, I don't know, 75 cents different. When you look, well, no, 45 cents different. But why though, right? That's the thing. Okay, so let me, my orders, I'm just checking online to see exactly. I got a little bit confused here. Order details. Actually, I paid $9.44. So I don't understand. GST was 45 cents on top of it. Oh, it was $14.99. I'm sorry. The needles was $14.99. It was not $11.99. This yarn is $11.99. Okay, sorry about that. Oh, this is really nice to knit with. Oh, nice. It's not pointy, but it just goes in easily. I don't know. The seller was saying that it's not pointy. Still, it does the job, right? But it's really light. Really light. Okay, so I'm going to carry on. I started the yarn that arrived. I do have a yarn unboxing arrived yesterday, so I wanted to knit secondary yarn, which I picked up to Bernat Premium. So I went to two Micheals actually. One Michael has nothing in on the shelves. And then we have this Northgate, which is a small Walmart. It's a tiny Walmart compared to the Superstore Walmarts that we have. And they have everything there. Isn't it funny? It's tiny, but it's packed with yarn. So they only had 3 balls. And I just grabbed the 3 balls. Well, this is really nice. See how it goes? Very nice. I'm happy with this buy. So this is the yarn that I grabbed. Decent prices. Oh, thing fell off. Okay, here we go. You saw my whips. I'm knitting whips. I'm gonna be knitting a house coat. So I already have 1 ball, and I grabbed the 3 they had. They only had 3. So I'm hoping this 3 will be enough. Well, with the 4, it would be enough. Yeah. And then I went to Dollarama and I found this gorgeous yarn. But there was only 1 ball. And look at the price. It's pretty expensive. It's 100 gram, but it's super soft. So I'm going to knit a scarf with this. And, Unfortunately, probably they're sold out. I have to check other Dollaramas, but you know, for the homeless, this would be nice and soft. If I can find another ball, that would be great. It says it's showing the alpaca, but it has nothing to do with the alpaca because it's 83% acrylic and 15% nylon. And for donations, they're asking for acrylic, not wool, so they can easily toss this in the washer. And here are the instructions. It's a 4-weight, definitely. I would knit this with even with a 6, definitely. Yeah. This is Montreal. I wonder where is it made in. That doesn't give you that much details. Alpaca look style, definitely. It does look like alpaca. So this is just a short haul that I did. And I grabbed. And I really like these. Yeah. Look at this yarn. So this is new for me. The brand is new. Of course, it's like cotton, but I picked this color. And gonna knit something. I don't know yet, but if I find out, I'll do the tutorial and share it with you. But very nice, soft. It's not like kitchen cotton. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I will let you guys go. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Just put this, because this is new, not the, well, the, what you call it, the other one's new too. Yeah, I wasn't going to buy it, but I really like to knit with these prime knitting needles. I wish they had more sizes in at Micheals, but they don't. Happy knitting. Happy crocheting. Bye-bye.